begin with breaking news.
That breaking news is out of Fulton County, Georgia. Late tonight, the district attorney announced a grand jury indicted former President Donald Trump in that state's election interference case.
18 other people, including Rudy Giuliani and former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, are also now under indictment. Prosecutors have been looking into an alleged scheme to overturn the 2020 presidential election results in Georgia, a state Trump narrowly lost.
An indictment is only a series of allegations based on a grand jury's determination of probable cause to support the charges. It is now the duty of my office to prove these charges in the indictment beyond a reasonable doubt at trial.
This is the fourth time the former president has been indicted.
White House correspondent Kayla Norwood is in our Washington bureau tonight with more on these charges and the other people facing indictments.
Andrea and Edie, 19 defendants, including former President Donald Trump, are facing 41 charges collectively. They range from RICO violations to conspiracy and perjury. Former President Donald Trump's now facing a fourth indictment in less than 5 months. 18 others are charged alongside the former president, including former Trump attorneys Rudy Giuliani and John Eastman and former Trump Chief of Staff Mark Meadows. The defendants are collectively facing 41 charges, some of which include violating the Georgia RICO Act, impersonating a public officer, filing false documents, influencing witnesses, and perjury. District Attorney Fani Willis speaking late Monday night.
The indictment alleges that rather than abide by Georgia's legal process for election challenges, the defendants engaged in a criminal racketeering enterprise to overturn Georgia's presidential election result.
Former President Donald Trump's campaign attacking DA Willis, calling her partisan and accusing her of trying to interfere with the 2024 presidential race. In Washington, Kayla Norwood, KCRA 3 News.
And tonight, the Trump campaign responded to the new indictment saying, quote, District Attorney Fani Willis is a rabid partisan who is campaigning and fundraising on a platform of prosecuting President Trump through these bogus indictments. Ripping a page from crooked Joe Biden's playbook, Willis had strategically stalled her investigation to try and maximally interfere with the 2024 presidential race and damage the dominant Trump campaign. All of these corrupt Democrat attempts will fail. One main difference in this case is, unlike in the three previous court appearances, Georgia law says that cameras can be allowed in the courtroom with the judge's approval, and it's not known yet whether a judge will in fact approve that.